will allow oil, gas and other vessels to move through the strait. Adam Hollingworth reports.
For a few hours, it looked as though President Trump would make good on his threat to end Iranian civilization during peak viewing time on the east coast of America. Iranians were prepared to die for their country. They formed human chains at the bridges and power plants Trump threatened to obliterate.
The entire country could be taken out in one night.
Iran's government remained defiant, warning attacks on its power grid will be met with strikes on those of its neighbours. Just as the US military primed its own weaponry aboard the aircraft carrier USS Abraham Lincoln.
He said, 8 p.m. is happening.
Trump's social media claims had escalated. A whole civilization will die tonight, never to be brought back again. I don't want that to happen.